Again, most welcome to again my YouTube channel, guys. How are you? I hope you're fine and good. No like be to the like the latest game available. No like be I will be asking to you popular words family games. So how to be complete with this 50 levels. So this is the more everything easily now just to be explain you something about this game, and I will be helping to you how to be complete with this game level. So guys, all of everything more easily now, and just to be request you be end of watching your video and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm be more helping to you every time every day, and I hope you will be never missing my video because I will be totally helping to you. So let's start this video. Okay guys, I'm be already download this game. I will be explain you something about this game, and first of all I will be close this is the music because I will be helping to you. Apple summer, mango. Okay. 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 Um, sure. Grape. Okay. So on last level to be starting now, because this is the all of everything easily now. So I will be helping to you every time every day. So bonus levels to be starting now. Bonus levels. Okay. Pepper, egg, total rewards, blackberry, garlic, egg, sugar, vanilla. Okay, thank you. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. To be click on this the one of the ads, and then you will be earn double coins. But I want to be everyone everyone has a pair of. Okay, you will be clicking on this. Okay. Next level to be starting now. Okay. Okay, this is the all of everything more easily, not to be anything else. If you want any like the levels so on, so I will be uh, completely helping to you. Claim now. Okay. Okay. Again to be using all this. Bird. Okay guys, next questions. Lecture. So guys, this is the start this game, and I will be helping to you. They all of everything easily, not just I want. If you want to be any like be game answer, so I will be helping to you to not to be worry, and I completely totally helping to you. So thank you so much for you watching my video.